So on the next episode of Avia's at Walmart, these are so cute. All of them that I bought this season were super cute. I'm not even gonna lie. These right here, they come wide, but they come short. If that makes any sense. They're wide, but they're short. So my toe was hitting the front. But they still were decent and comfortable. These are super cute. These had the, I think, brown snake skin in the back. These I got from my daughter. Just super cute. Tan and brown. Get them. Get them. I'm not even joking. Just get them. The next ones, let's see what we got here. These are one, I've been wearing these all the time. They're like iridescent. The orange. The tan. All the good stuff. They are cute with the black laces. And comfortable. These are my favorite. I can't wait to wear these. I have nothing to go with them. But they are coming out before the end of summer. I promise you. I promise you. All of these were like $25 and under. So get them while you can. But I had to run these back again. Because look at the detail. I don't care what you say. Walmart sneakers. What for $20, $25, $15. Give me all of them. Y'all can go ahead and have Nikes, Jordans, whatever you want to. I don't care. I'm on a budget. I'm on a comfortable budget. And I'm grown. I don't care no more.